We all have opinions, right? Whether it's about the latest movie, a new product, or even a trending topic on social media. We love to share what we think. Did you know you can actually get paid for sharing yours? Yes, your thoughts and opinions can be valuable to companies and researchers. It's true. In the world of online earning, surveys and focus groups are popular options. These platforms are constantly looking for people to provide feedback on various topics. They offer a simple way to make some extra cash from the comfort of your own home. Imagine sitting on your couch, sipping coffee and earning money just by answering a few questions. No special skills or experience required, just your honest thoughts and a bit of your time. It's as easy as logging in, selecting a survey and sharing your opinions. Sound good? Let's dive in and explore how these platforms work. We'll break down the process step by step so you can get started right away. We'll look at the differences between surveys and focus groups, the potential earnings, and why they've become a go-to for many seeking a flexible side hustle. Plus, we'll share some tips on how to maximize your earnings. By the end, you'll have a good understanding of whether this online earning opportunity is right for you. So stay tuned and let's get started on this journey to easy money online. Surveys are straightforward and easy to complete. Companies are eager to know what you think about their products or services. Your feedback helps them improve and innovate. They design detailed questionnaires and pay you for completing them. It's a win-win situation. First, you need to sign up with a survey website. The registration process is usually quick and simple. There are many reputable ones to choose from, each offering different types of surveys and rewards. Then you fill out your profile with accurate information. This step is crucial. Your profile helps them match you with relevant surveys that fit your interests and demographics. Once you're all set up, you'll start receiving survey invitations. Answer honestly and completely to ensure your feedback is valuable. Each survey awards you points or cash, depending on the platform and the survey's length. Over time, these rewards can add up significantly. It's that simple. Focus groups are similar to surveys, but they delve deeper into specific topics. They involve sharing your opinions in a group setting, either online or in person. You'll be asked to provide detailed feedback, participate in discussions, or test out new products. Focus groups typically require more of your time, but the payouts are usually higher. Companies value the in-depth insights gathered from focus groups, making your participation even more valuable. This translates to better compensation for your time and effort. Section 4. The perks: work from home, earn extra. One of the biggest advantages of surveys and focus groups is flexibility. You can complete them whenever you have free time, whether it's during your lunch break or late at night. Work from home in your pajamas if you want. There's no dress code or commute. Plus, there are no experience requirements. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for some extra cash, surveys and focus groups offer an accessible way to earn. Section 5. Real talk: how much can you earn? Let's be realistic, you won't get rich taking surveys or participating in focus groups. It's not a replacement for a full-time job. However, it's a great way to earn some extra spending money. Surveys typically pay between $1 to $5 each, while focus groups can earn you anywhere from $50 to $300 per session. The amount you earn depends on several factors, including the platform you choose, your demographic, and the time you invest. Section 6. Ready to start? Earning money online with surveys and focus groups is a legitimate way to boost your income. These opportunities are not only convenient, but also allow you to work from the comfort of your own home. It's flexible, easy to start, and accessible to anyone with an internet connection. You can choose when and where you want to work, making it perfect for those with busy schedules or other commitments. While it won't make you a millionaire, it's a great way to earn extra money in your spare time. The extra cash can help cover small expenses or even contribute to your savings, so why not give it a go? Starting is simple, and there are plenty of resources available to guide you through the process. You might be surprised how much you can earn by simply sharing your thoughts and opinions. Plus, it's a great way to make your voice heard on products and services you use every day. Remember, Every little bit helps, and who knows, you might even find it enjoyable to share your perspective with the world. So get started today and see where it takes you.